Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt a little lost trying to organize your audience in Mailchimp, today's tutorial is going to clear things up for you. We're diving deep into the difference between tags, fields, and segments in Mailchimp, three key tools that, once you understand them, will totally transform the way you manage and reach out to your contacts. By the end of this video, you'll be able to organize your list like a pro, send truly targeted emails, and stop second-guessing where to put information or how to find the exact group you want. Let's jump right in. First up, tags. Think of tags as simple name badges that you can quickly stick onto any contact in your Mailchimp list. For example, you might have tags like VIP, event attendee, or customer. These tags are super flexible. They're really just labels you make up yourself to help you group or identify people in a way that makes sense for your business or organization. The cool part here is that tags are only visible to you and your team. Your contacts won't ever see that they've been tagged. So if you want to quickly find everyone who came to your last webinar, just slap an event attendee tag on those folks, and you'll be able to pull them up in seconds. It's kind of like putting post-it notes on a stack of folders, totally customizable, and you can keep changing them as your relationships grow or change. Next up, fields. Now, fields are a bit different. They're not just quick labels, but actual pieces of information you store about each contact. Name, birthday, email address, company name, these are all examples of fields. Think of fields as the blank lines on a form you're asking your subscribers to fill out when they sign up. Fields store hard data, so when you want to personalize an email by saying, "Hi Sarah," instead of just "hello there," you're pulling that information straight from a contact's fields. This is important because the more detailed your fields, the more you can personalize and tailor your messages. Don't worry if you're just starting with the basics. Maybe name and email are all you need for now, but keep in mind, expanding your use of fields means you can later segment or personalize even better. Now let's talk about segments. This is where Mailchimp starts to get really powerful. Segments are smart, dynamic lists you create by filtering your contacts using tags, fields, and even activity, like who's opened a campaign or clicked a link. Imagine you want to find all of your contacts who are tagged VIP, whose birthday is this month, and who opened your last promo email. With segments, that's totally possible. You can mix and match rules to zero in on the exact group you want to target, without having to manually sift through everyone on your list. Think of segments as custom playlists, but instead of songs, you're collecting groups of people based on the traits and actions that matter to you. This lets you send exactly the right message to exactly the right people at exactly the right time. So to sum it up, tags are like sticky labels you use to organize your contacts however you like. Fields are the pieces of data you've collected about each person, kind of like the facts on their profile. And segments are the smart search tools that combine tags, fields, and activities to build refined, targeted lists. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button so more people can find this video. Got questions, or want to share how you use tags, fields, and segments in your own campaigns? Drop a comment below. I love hearing what's working for you. And if you want more Mailchimp tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.